Right, here we have a right-angled triangle, ABC. It says calculate the length of BC, this length here, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. Notice we're being asked to find one of the smaller sides of the right-angled triangle. So using Pythagoras' theorem, Pythagoras' theorem says the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the two squares drawn on the other side. So AC squared is going to be equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So we put the numbers in there. We're going to have 13.7 squared is equal to 11.2 squared plus BC squared. Now we want to find BC. We will have to do that by taking 11.2 squared from both sides. So if we take 11.2 squared, we get 13.7 squared minus 11.2 squared is equal to BC squared. If we work that out, if we would do this carefully on our calculator, we're going to get 62.25. But we want BC, so we need to take the square root of 62.25, which gives me 7.899. 3 significant figures, first, second, third. So draw my line here. That 9 will make that 8 a 9. And therefore, the final answer will be 7.89 centimetres to 3 significant figures. If you don't do that last step on this type of question, you are likely to lose the mark. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use Pythagoras' theorem to find a smaller side. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.